before you spend your money on any Aviator Predictor VPN. I need you to watch this video from beginning to the end, because what I'm about to show you is something most people will never tell you. And the reason is simple. A lot of people are making money from keeping you in the dark. But today, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Welcome to Amos Hustle Online Technique. On this channel, I show you how to move smart in this digital world using AI, smart tools, and real strategies that actually work. Not guesswork and definitely not scams. Now, let's talk about something that has been trending recently. The Aviator Predictor VPN. If you've been online lately, especially on WhatsApp, Telegram, or even YouTube, you've probably seen people talking about it. Some people claim it gives accurate signals. Some say it can help you win consistently in the aviator game. And others are even selling it for a lot of money. You might have even been tempted to try it yourself. Or maybe you've already been approached by someone trying to sell it to you. So the big question is this Aviator Predictor VPN actually real? Or is it just another way people are using to collect money from others? Instead of guessing, instead of believing what people say online, I decided to test it myself. Yes, I went ahead and got access to the VPN. I didn't just stop there, I also got the password. I opened it. I checked everything. And I tested it carefully. And I'm going to be very honest with you. What I found inside was not what people are claiming. This so-called Aviator Predictor VPN does not predict anything. There is no special system inside it. There is no real AI working behind it. There is no hidden technology giving you winning signals. It is just a normal setup. Nothing extraordinary, nothing powerful, nothing special. So all those promises you're hearing online about accurate signals and guaranteed wins are simply not true. And this is where a lot of people get trapped. Because when people are desperate to win money quickly, they become easy targets. So others take advantage of that and start selling things like this VPN. And the truth is, many people have already lost money because of this. That's why I decided to make this video. Not to promote it, not to convince you to buy it, but to open your eyes. Because on this channel, I don't deal with fake tools. I focus on showing you real ways to grow. Real skills, real AI tools, real opportunities that can actually help you in this modern digital space. Now, before I show you the password, I want you to understand something very important. Even if you get access to this VPN, it will not suddenly make you start winning. It will not give you any advantage. And it will not change your results. So please, don't depend on things like this. Focus on learning real skills instead. And if that's something you're interested in, then this channel is definitely for you. So go ahead right now and hit that subscribe button, because I'll be dropping more videos where I show you how to use AI, how to make money online, and how to avoid getting scammed. Now, I know many of you have been waiting for this part. You're probably saying, okay, just show us the password already. Don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you right now. Not because it works, but so you can see it for yourself and understand the truth. So pay attention to the screen. As you can see right now, this is the password. Take a good look at it. But once again, don't get it twisted. Having this password does not change anything. This VPN is not a magic tool. It does not predict anything. And it will not guarantee you any wins. So please be careful out there. There are many things online that look real. but are actually designed to take your money. And that's why videos like this are important. Now, before I end this video, if you want to learn how I created this AI voiceover and how you can also start creating videos like this, then make sure you subscribe right now. In my next video, I'm going to break it down step by step. Also, if you're interested, drop a comment below and let me know. I read all comments, and I use them to decide what videos to create next. Thank you for watching. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.